Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're wondering how can you use the half swiping method on Snapchat to maybe take a peek on conversations and view some messages without the other part of the conversation being notified that you actually even opened the conversation. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so let's jump right into it. First, since we're going to be using the Snapchat app for this process, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, then simply search for Snapchat right here and make sure we have the Snapchat application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and for everything to run smoothly in this process. After that, you can create the store. Now let's go ahead, of course, and open Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account, as you can see here, guys, and then let's make our way to our conversations. And here we are, guys. From here, to use the half swipe method to take a peek on conversations, you should start by putting your finger or placing it on the Bitmoji of that conversation and then start swiping right until your finger reaches the right bezel of your device. And from here, don't drop your finger and you can check the messages, as you can see here, and then swipe back to the left side of your screen, and you can do that over and over to view conversations. They will not be notified. However, the catch here, this little Bitmoji will be peeking once you open your conversation or that conversation. So just make sure to avoid doing this method when the other part is in the conversation as well. If they are there and you do this swiping method, your Bitmoji will pop up and they will know that you opened the conversation. However, once you swipe back to the left side and drop your finger, they will not be seeing the conversation as opened or received or anything like that. And that is basically, guys, how can you use the half swiping method on your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.